Presenting the 2006 Honda Accord Sdn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are emergency trunk release, CD changer, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, aluminum wheels, rear head airbag, rear defrost, and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.